Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the TPS Aqua-CPA Conductivity-TDS, pH and Temperature Meter. The Aqua-CPA is a splash-proof, IP65 rated all-in-one meter for conductivity, TDS, pH and temperature, completely designed and manufactured in Australia. It features multiple conductivity and TDS ranges, making it suitable for a wide variety of lab and field applications. The meter features a 24-character alphanumeric display, easy one-touch calibration, and automatic temperature compensation for all parameters measured. In the box there's some paperwork, including some care and cleaning information for the pH electrode, a conductivity electrode user manual, and the complete AQUA-CPA user manual. There's two 200ml bottles of pH buffer solution, there's pH 4.01 and pH 7, a 200ml bottle of 2.76 microsiemens per centimeter conductivity standard solution, a sample jar, the conductivity, TDS and temperature sensor, the pH electrode, and last of all, the handheld AQUA-CPA. Features of the AQUA-CPA handheld unit include the 24-character display, 5 buttons, these are cal, mode, up selection, down selection, and the on-off button. On the top of the unit are the conductivity, temperature and pH plugs under rubber protective caps. And on the back is a stand and the battery compartment. For a video demonstration of how to set up and calibrate this unit, see the video linked in the description. Or, for more information, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Call 1300 737 871 or email customer-service@instrumentchoice.com.au. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!